Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MongoDB Community Server on Windows, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official MongoDB website. Navigate to the Downloads section. Select the MongoDB Community Server option. Choose the Windows operating system from the list. Select the current release version of MongoDB. Click on the download button to start the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to start the installation process. In the Setup wizard, click Next to proceed. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose the Complete Installation option to install all features. Click Next to proceed to the data directory configuration. You can leave the default path or choose a custom location for your data files. Click Next to configure the service settings. Ensure the option to run MongoDB as a service is checked. Select the default service name or customize it if desired. Click Next to proceed to the installation summary. Review your choices and click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Finish. To start MongoDB, open the command prompt. Navigate to the MongoDB installation directory by typing cdc:/program files /mongodb /server /. Type mongod to start the MongoDB server. Ensure a new window opens, indicating the server is running successfully. In a new command prompt window, navigate to the MongoDB bin folder again. Then type Mongo to open the MongoDB shell. You are now ready to use MongoDB on your Windows system. To verify the installation, you can run a simple command like db.serverstatus. Congratulations, you've successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.